Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget about the giveaway. Link is in the little doobly-doo, so go check it out. Now after painting all of these nails, that beautiful terracotta-y orange color, let's go ahead and celebrate Pride with a big old rainbow that we are going to swirl across all of these nails, because today is the first day of Pride Month. Yay! So as always, we like to celebrate Pride here on the channel because love is love and we love everyone. So whoever you are, whoever you love, we love you. And let me just go on by saying I want to own a couple of mistakes that I made on this set. One of the mistakes was that I didn't correctly connect the rainbow in one spot. It should have been skinny when it anyway, you'll see. And then my other mess up is on the thumbnail, and I didn't put purple there. So oops-a daisies. I am just going to own those mistakes. We all make mistakes when we create, and I'm just going to Bob Ross it and say it's a happy little accident, right? It still is a set for love, and we love love, so we're going to love our way through it. There you go. So as you can see, we're just layering the colors. The red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple all together and making it super, super pretty. And I am just trying to, I could have spent a lot more time showing you the rainbow, but you understand what I'm doing, right? I mean, you get a lot of skipping forward on the video, I think, if you show the same exact thing over and over too many times. So that's why we did it that way. I'm just showing you a couple, but it turns out pretty cute. Guys, I also wanted to say I'm super sorry today's video is late. Actually, they've been late a little bit lately. And that's just because summer is here, and the only time it's nice outside is in the middle of the night, and I've been enjoying being outside in the middle of the night with my dog, and just even if we're just sitting in front of the apartment, it's nice out there, like at 3 or 4 in the morning, and then I wake up late, and it makes it hard for me to get the video up on time. So I do apologize for that, but it's just a seasonal thing. I did remember to turn the fan off this time for the voiceover, so hopefully that sounds better. I need to buy one of those little microphones. If you know of a good one, please let me know in the comment section. I love to get recommendations from you guys. Now we're just coming in with some pretty stamps. I have this beautiful heart plate, and it's all about love. It's actually by Kads. You can see it right there. It's on the festival line. I don't know if that is still available, but I got it on Amazon, so I would check there. Now, I picked up a whole bunch of hearts, and I'm just taking off the bits I don't want. I should have kept that one that I just took off, but that's okay. We're gonna use it again in a minute. And I'm just putting those sporadically around. I decided to layer the black on top of the pink with those little hearts that are already layered. I think that turned out pretty cute. And you could go the other way too, black on the bottom, pink on the top. That might even be better. But I'd already laid the pink ones down. So, and you know me, I like to pick up a bunch of stamps at once and then lay them down where I want them. So that's just a little cheat method I use. So here we go. It's time for top coat. This was a super quick set, guys. Even doing it, it only took me like less than an hour to knock this out. And I'm not fast with the nail art, so that's pretty good. I really love this set. I think it's bright and beautiful and bold and amazing, just like Pride Month. And you can see here where I made the mistake between the index finger and the middle finger. It should be skinnier on I did it wrong. There you go. I just did it wrong. But that's okay. And then, of course, on the thumbnail here, no purple. But anyway, let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Would you wear them? Do you think they're good for Pride? Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.